What's up, chat? I'm gonna be making Slime Matcher Part 5. And this time, what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You guys remember that spot where I couldn't get up to and I need a jetpack? That was in the fire area? That's where I'm going. I'm gonna check that place out. I do not care about a message. Oh dang, this was so much weird. I was just playing Slime Matcher on my Switch. I was playing Slime Matcher on there. And damn, it feels so much better to play on this. And why am I so broke on crops? It's so much easier on Switch, bro. This thing is like crazy hard on. Oh no, well yeah. Slime Matcher 2 compared to Slime Matcher 1, it's like a big difference in difficulty, because like Slime Matcher on the Switch, you could just basically buy everything for money. This you actually have to find like a bunch of parts. Graphics are so much better now. So F is how, wait, is that, that's D. Oh, that's G. How do I get rid of this? Oh, is that? Oh, T to open up this thing. Well, that's cool. And if you guys can remember. Oh, dang, I need to go the long way. Nope. Oh, it feels so good to have this thing. Come over here, you Largo. Let's go. I'm gonna go here. And this thing sends you up high like fast, but it runs out of energy like too quickly. Yo, Spikies. I hate you so much right now. Why'd you show up right now? Wait, I don't got meat, chill. No, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave. Oh, I'm gonna find some. I hate you. I genuinely hate you right now. Bro, I always see them. I was literally playing Slime Matcher on my Switch, and I found the gold slime and the tabby slime at the same spot. Dang, my mic is too close. I didn't move that. Okay, bro, just die. The door's right there. Wait a minute, why am I marking this? Give me that. Alright. If you guys can remember, this is the place. And for all my years of training, if I could remember, we go here. Deep brine, nope, that's primary oil. Diddy. What's this? Lava dust. As you guys can remember, I couldn't get up. Oh my gosh! Scared me. Wait a minute. Wait, I understand it now. I'm not supposed to go over there. I'm supposed to go over here. Eat a carrot. Finally! Sanctuary. More lava dust. Bet. Yo, wait. The fire slimes. Before you have to go to Glass Desert to get these guys. Give me my lava dust. Wait, I'm actually gonna stack up on these guys. These guys are cool. Come here. Nope, nobody loves you, Boom Slime. Sorry. Where's the fire slime at? Dang, he's just dying in there. More lava dust? Damn. So much. See, this is a big bag. If he takes me, oh, we're about to need 50. Wait, they have Gordo in this. They have Gordos in this game. I just realized. Nah, you never coming with me. Nah, who said y'all could leave? Watch this. Let's go. Yo, I'm gonna just collect as much lava dust as I need. And there's Taurus. I don't get paid enough for that, so I'm good. I still want to explore this place more. Wait a minute. What's over here? I was gonna go over there, but then I saw this. More lava dust. Say less. Okay, bro. Wait. Please give me 2. Of course you did. Oh wait, I have 30. Never mind. What's that in there? Ah, damn, bro. Chill. Yo, radiant ore. I think this has been a good trip so far. Oh no. Wait. Let me tell you something. Oh. Pretty cool area. Pretty sure there's more for me to explore. It's just that, like, can't do that because I have to deposit all this lava dust and all that. Wait! I see it. What's that? Okay, I understand now. Let's see this new area. Let's go. Oh my gosh, this is about to be insane. The map. I didn't even realize how big this map is. I'm gonna just park there. I'm gonna have to head back. What's this? So confused where I'm at right now. This is a Gordo? Oh, it's gonna be on the other side. Well, this is cool. Tabby slime. Wait, if there's a baddie slime over there, they take, what's it called? It takes like 50, so I'm gonna just bring back 50 fruits. Wait a minute, yo. What's my luck? Radiant ore for days. More lava dust? Say less. Got some fire slimes too, so that's good. Okay, wait, here's the thing that scares me. What if, like, what if he kills the other ones? That's the only thing I'm scared of. Whoop, I see I got a bunch of good stuff. Take water. It said take water. Oh, you're hungry? I see. I can help you with that. Come here. Come here. Watch this. Watch this. I'm about to LeBron chase down right now. Never mind. Go. Oh my gosh, bro. What is... Oh, okay. You still trying to attack me? Now you're about to die. He comes in. He goes out. He goes through. And he goes for a slam. Let's go. I need to head back to the house, dude. I think this trip was insane. Like, insanely good. Wait a minute. Why am I taking the poor route? So, do I really want to sacrifice everything I have just to, like, cross this thing in a short amount of time? Yes, I do. Lava dust. Radiant ore. Okay, primordial or oil. I thought that said primary or primarily. Damn, man. Can't speak right now. So close. Pretty sure this game has more slimes than Slime Rancher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still 8 more? Damn. Fire slimes are going crazy right now. I might have to get rid of the hunters. This was my worst nightmare, but they ain't making enough money. I think they gotta go. Where's the deposit? Dang. I got so much stuff. So much. Wait a minute, I could probably craft some more stuff. 20. Oh, heck nah. Flutter plort. What's a flutter? I need wild honey. Oh, pulse wave sucks. That thing sucks. Buzzwax I could get. Hunter plorts, yes I could get that. Crystal, yes. Angular plort and tabby plort for that. How much is they to get me carrying? So wait, 40 and then 50, 60, 70, 80. Damn. Oh, I need 2 more silky sand. Oh, I'm gonna have to do that after. Wait a minute. Alright. Bro, the tabby plort is paying more than the hunter plort. You guys gotta go, bro. I'm sorry. Wait, what do you guys eat? Wait, Ash? Wait, I might be cooked. I forgot how to get Ash. I don't know how to get Ash. Wait, chill. How'd I get Ash? Oh, these are where all my crops are at. Now I remember. Wait, but how'd I get Ash? I need fruit. Okay, wait. I'm gonna just stock up on stuff. I need to think about more stuff. I still need to think of more stuff. So if I put that, okay, got that. Yeah, I'm not big brain moment right now, bro. Dang, I need to get 50 chickens though. See, I don't know if like, how would I, wait. Okay, wait, I really do not need this right now. Demolish bar. I need to burn it. This is how they're gonna get Ash, right? Did you eat that? Yo. Eat that. Wait, did you just stay on this? I'm gonna give you guys Ash. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Nah, who said you guys could leave? How do I get Ash? He just died on me. Oh. I was need to collect the Ash. Oh. One of them just died on me. Man. Yo, wait, why did one of them actually just die on me? Eat the ash. Give me some more of the fruit, bro. Y'all don't need it. Are you gonna make me like torch or something? Nope, you're not dying on me. Oh yes! Wait, can they leave? I don't think they can leave. Let's go. I already made 5 quartz. I just gotta remember so they don't die. That's the thing, you know. So that might be bad. Dang, they don't need carrots, right? Oh, I'm about to stock you guys up for life. Kobe. Dang, I think this is a little too much ash. Oh, is that good? Yeah, I don't know if that's good or not. Alright, well, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. See you guys next time, and that'll be part 5 of Slime Rancher.